Hello everyone from Beijing. There is a forbidden city behind me. Definitely different weather than in Shenzhen. Hey, what's up guys? How are you? Welcome to my Zillionaires Club channel. In today's video, I want to share with you why is it so difficult to do nothing. What I mean by that? I mean a lot of traders have troubles with overtrading. Overtrading is an activity when you opening the trades which you originally didn't want to and which are out of your trading strategy. This is something what is I think very common, very big portion of traders are fighting with overtrading, and only after many years of practice this behavior minimize or disappear. Let me make few examples. When you look at the videos in YouTube, or when you see in movies about some traders, the action of trading, typically it looks like very big, fast action. It looks like in every second you need to focus, in every second you need to do something, in every second you need to buy or sell, you need to simply click. But in reality, trading might be quite boring activity if you look at it, because 99% nothing is going on and it requires nothing from our side, just watch. Let me give you a few examples. When I see a movie where all the traders are sweating, when they are watching 6 different monitors at the same time and they are clicking left and right, this is just because in movie it looks very actionable. It keep people focused. The same when you are watching YouTube videos with some education. Typically the trading session takes 1, 2, 3 hours, but the trader who makes the video, he makes just the summary. He just condense all the actions he did during these few hours of trading to, let's say, 1 to 3 minutes of video. It means he cut the most boring parts out and showing you just the part where the action actually happened. But you have to imagine that it means a lot of time of preparation of the strategy. It means a lot of time of analyzing the market offline. Then it means watching the markets moving, the price moving, and waiting for our opportunity based on our trading plan. Once the opportunity comes, it's like a sniper. It means you need to be quick to buy or sell, open or close the position in that moment. And again, it might be followed by minutes or even hours of doing nothing, just watch. This is how typical trading looks like. If we look at different strategies of trading, let's start from some very long term, which is dividend investing, and let's go to those which I'm actually doing later. So if you take strategy of dividend investing, typically you should look at the market no more than once a month. If you rebalancing your portfolio after or before the earnings, it might be even after 3 months. So basically 3 months you shouldn't even open the platform and let the fluctuation of the market do its job, and only during the earnings to look, to study and make your adjustments. But beyond that, you shouldn't be actively doing anything and simply sit on your hands. Strategies which I'm doing with commodities, which are either swing tradings where I'm holding the positions for few weeks, typically 2 to 3 weeks, or option trading, which again is about 1 to 3 weeks of holding. Typically my activity is during the weekend. I make the analysis, which takes me 30 to 60 minutes. I prepare my strategy for the week ahead. I prepare the short list of commodities where I see some potential, but then during the next days I'm watching the market maximum twice a day for a few minutes, 5-10 minutes maximum. If the strategy, if the commodity start coming to the price level I expect and needs my attention, then I might start looking, for example, every hour or every 2 hours. And then once I open the trade, again, I'm coming back to the inactivity. It means only once or twice a day, just check my positions, and that's it. I'm waiting till next weekend. Next weekend again, I'm studying what happened during the week, and after the new COT report is out, I, based on that, make my new predictions for the new week, and I make my decisions again up front, and then during the week, just few minutes just to set it up, open or close the position, adjust the position, or anything like that. But I'm not spending on that more than 5-10 minutes a day. If I go to the third strategy of day trading, which I do currently with natural gas, oil, and gold, this is activity which needs probably the most attention and where you need to focus the longest time during the day. I typically trade something like 3 hours a day, but still it means that from these 3 hours, typically I made only 3 or 4 trades, and they typically take around 5 minutes each. So you can see that overall I spent really clicking maybe 6-8 times during that period. I fully focused on the trade and managing the trade roughly 15 minutes, but the rest to 3 hours I just watching the market. So you can see from all these 3 strategies I just mentioned that it's really mainly about sniper's job. It's about watching the market, it's about making the strategy upfront, it's about making the decisions what and when I will do upfront, and then the execution itself is actually a relatively boring waiting period. That's why I like when I doing some other activity at the same time which entertain me a little bit during the trading hours. It might be as simple as drinking some tea, it might be as simple as listening some music, or watching even some videos on second screen and only coming back to the screen with the market prices, let's say every minute or every 2, because this is enough to keep me focused on execution of the trade. If I would be staring on the screen all these 3 hours, probably my eyes would be very much hurt, and as well I doubt I would be able to fully focus only on that for the whole 3 hours. That's why I suggest, before you even start trading live, I suggest you to have demo account. I suggest you for a few weeks or even months, for constant period of time which you set, for example from 9 o'clock till 11 o'clock every morning, you will sit and you will watch the graphs, and you will do nothing. You will forbid yourself to click, you will forbid yourself to focus or anything else. You will just watch, and you will just imagine, yes, this is the moment I would probably open the trade, and this is the moment I would close the trade based on my strategy I set up before. But for a few weeks, simply don't do anything, just watch and just imagine, simulate how the trading will look like. I guarantee you during that you will learn about yourself, what is the activity which you need to do parallelly, such as music, such as drinking tea, such as eating, such as watching movie, anything else what you can do or want to do during that, what makes you focused enough for the graphs. And then after a few weeks you go to demo and you start finally trading on your demo account and simulating your strategy, and I almost guarantee you that you will make more trades than you originally wanted. And please start to analyze it. When you actually click more than you should, when is the trades which didn't fulfill all your criteria, and the next day try to avoid them. Only once on your demo account you first of all consistently following the trend, number 2 you consistently profitable, number 3 you don't overtrade. This is the time when you should move to the real money trading and switch to the real account. The only strategy which doesn't allow overtrading is the AOS, means automatically traded strategies by computer. But if you do discretionary trading, you have to think about overtrading constantly. In reality, it's an activity which needs a lot of calm waiting, patience. It needs very calm approach to wait for opportunity to present itself, and once it happened, as a sniper, just to shoot and put your rifle down and wait again for many minutes or hours to come. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like it, please smash the like button and subscribe for my channel. See you next time.
難得義兄傑公中掃衝場，你高架深宵的陳燈掃得流香，最哀傷人生苦點卻恨。